Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, July 11th, 2023. So, really kind of hard to explain the price action today. We saw the bulls kind of gap things open this morning. And then once it got, after the first really 5 minutes, 10 minutes of trading, we saw things starting to drift down and actually go negative, only to touch. This is just a 5 minute chart because I wanted to show you that really the way that this worked today, because it was really kind of crazy where we were pretty much drifting lower, higher all day until we hit 230, and then they hit some kind of buy program and literally just rocketed the S&P up 23 points in an hour and a half. And there was no news on it. Again, we have the CPIs coming out tomorrow. Maybe they're trying to catch some shorts. It doesn't, what it is we're pretty much right back to where we were on last Friday. So just really going around the world and back. Nothing's really happening. But let's take a look at the 15-minute charts here. Okay, just to see if we have here. You can see we have some divergences going into the close today. This is we could actually see the gap a lot easier here because this is one of the things that I've been kind of saying I thought was going to get this was going to get closed. So this is sitting right at the 44, 46. So 7 points higher than where we are. Again, I think that we'll know heading into the open tomorrow because the CPI numbers are coming out. It's anticipated that they're going to drop. Maybe they are. I don't really follow that stuff all that much, but anyway, they could either use it to try to gap over the highs and make it up to that 45.10 area that I was pointing out in the premium reports. But one thing I'm sticking with, and I'll say it: whatever tries they have to the upside, it's not going to last long. If you guys have ammo to short, I would use you could use the gap, one of them, layered in, but 44.46, then you could go up to the 44.60 or 56, and then just wait and see if we get up to that other area. But I once this, like I said, wave structures and everything are pretty much in set for this to be topping. We're still, and as much as it doesn't seem like it's happening, we're looking for that low to come into sometime in August. And unfortunately, if they keep just kind of prolonging this, what's going to happen is that we're going to probably go all the way to the end of August with it. So this is not really sustainable on it. Here you can see we already have some, well, the 60-minute charts, we don't have bearish divergences. So again, if we pop up above these in the morning, we're going to have some pretty massive bearish divergences on the 60s, and you just match that into just another one that is, another sell signal, and we already know we have them on the daily chart. So right now, if they decide they need to pop it higher, or even get up to that 4,500 level somewhere right in this area here, I think it was 45.10. Then if you have some money to short, I would use it there. And expectations are still bare minimum coming down to the 4,100, more likely coming down to the 4,000 and 3,900 from there. So there's really not, until the CPI numbers come out tomorrow. There's not really a whole lot to say because that's really going to change the dynamics of how things open. But we have the resistance right here. If this is the gap right here, and obviously, if they get above the 44.60 level, they'd probably do that in before the market opens and gap it up. The Bears, they got to get it through this 43.82. Nothing has really changed on that. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.